you're crafting, creating, repairing, or rebuilding. It's amazing what you can do when you put your mind to it. All it takes is unwavering perseverance and the right tool in your hands. When you combine your creativity and know-how with a Leatherman, you have the confidence you need to take on whatever arises in your everyday real life. No matter what real life entails, your Leatherman is right there by your side, helping you tackle challenges, go on adventures, and excel under pressure. Together, you and your Leatherman become a powerful force.